Hey everyone, I want to highlight some of the changes we've made recently to interacting with your models in Gadget. If you've been using Gadget for a while, you can think back to the old models pages. We had separate pages for adding fields and actions, and the actions page had this big state machine or state chart, and that was the primary way we wanted you to add additional API or actions to your models. We've gone ahead and simplified that to make it much easier to get a good overview of what your model looks like, what code is running, and make it easier to create and edit your actions. If I create a new model today in Gadget or click on an existing model, we get this unified structure page. So you can see I have all of my actions and fields in a single view. It's very simple to add additional fields. I can remove them. The same goes for actions. I can add an action, I can remove an action. It also makes it really easy to add code to my action. So if I want to add a code file and run some code on the create action for this model, I can just click, it'll add a code file, and we have this nice inline, in-page code editor that I can use to then write some code. Another thing that I really like, maybe my personal favorite feature, is this test action button. So if I want to test the create action for my Model A, I can just click this. The GraphQL playground is opened for me. If I have any variables, I can add them. I'm not going to do that now. I can just click play. I can see that a Model A was added. I can flip back to Gadget, and I actually have this nice data tab too. So I can just flip on over and I can see all of the records associated with this model. In this case, this is my newly created record for Model A. Let us know what you think. We're really happy with how this turned out. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave them on our developer Discord. Until next time, happy coding.